we are supposed to talk about value creation over the next 10 years, but your portfolio changes 10 times in 1 year. Um, so given, no, you call it dynamic, right? You don't have this thesis that, look, I'm going to pick companies that will do amazingly well for the next 10 years. You change your mind all the time. So can you explain that strategy a bit more? Like, how do you take that long-term horizon also into account?
We live in a very dynamic world, so money management style cannot be static, it has to be dynamic, and hence rebalancing comes into picture. A lot of people define as a churn, the point which he talked about. So what is important is that, what is your need? How you define your style? When we manage money, or from a risk perspective, we take the way portfolio is constructed. We have a decadal call, long-term call, medium-term call, short-term call, hedge call, cash call, even special situation. So it's a combination. See, when you look at from a very simple risk perspective, when everybody say I'm a long-term, yes, investors are long-term, asset classes are long-term, stocks and sectors are not long-term. Remove this myth, this stock is long-term. There's nothing like that in life. Why everybody talks about long-term? Because managing long-term risk is very easy. Your mistakes are hidden for 10 years perspective. If you say you make 3 mistakes, 10 years it's hidden. When you manage your short-term, medium-term, and near-term risk, you don't only protect your downside, actually generate alpha out of it. So we take a decadal, multi-decadal call can be identified through Earth analytics. So if I have to talk about very short-term or near-term, we use money flow analytics. So everything has to be mathematically decoded. We are students of applied maths, applied economics, applied science. We don't have to write a white paper out here. We want to capture every moment. So we define ourselves as an unconstrained fund house. Idea is very simple, that we are opportunists.